We live in this world but once, spend whatever challenge we can. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Luella Marisbokis Tang, 16 years of age. Through competence, I believe that through competency we shall lead. But excellent service to God and humanity. Therefore, your memory will live.
I'm Gwendolyn Mortellero, 17 years old, representante España. And I do believe that an apple a day makes Dr. Hayden go away. So Katrina Halili, come here and stay.
Where I come today? No! Hey!
Good morning, everyone. I'm Alegna Yoshimura, and I'm 24.5 years old. Running 30 years old this February 2016. And I believe that what is beauty if the pocket is empty? So, I thank you. And everybody, I believe in the saying that goes, no man is an island. Go get the egg or some, I think that's where I am. Don't you wish a perfect girl with half like Rose? My name is Susanna Julian, and I'm your mother, 17 years of age, representing the land of shadow, Tanzania!
Good day, everyone. My name is Alexis Marilino from the Lost Place. Lost Island of Bermuda Triangle. And I believe in the saying that roses are red, violet is double dark. If your parents are beautiful, then who, Salvador, what happened to you?
Baby, how about our training? Pajang.
The organizers there.
Bring anak. Pajang. Now, China.